Alright, so I've been working for a little bit. I'll show you this. Take a look at this. Contrast is undeniable. See that difference in that time. So to knock out this whole side, you can see that. It's a big difference. Huge difference. Beautiful. So, see that right there. Gorgeous. So, I'm going to go ahead and continue moving. I'm going to move over to this section here. Come over to this section. From this bead to this bead, to this bead to that bead, from that bead to that bead, and from that rib to that rib. I'm calling them beads, but it's ribs. So, let you see that. Doing this on their own. What I'm going to show you here is, you see these lines going across? See it in the metal? That's from someone doing something on here that they had no clue of what they were doing. So the metal is burned. That's why it's lighter. The metal is burned. And this stuff is from some nasty, nasty chemical degreaser etching into it. So I'm gonna be coming over this, and you can see this side over here. It's great, and getting it done. So.
Alright everybody, so I'm about to blend this section underneath here. Alright everybody, so I'm about to blend this section that's right underneath here from here to here, because getting underneath here with some of the other tools is just a little bit awkward. So we have a system that is proprietary to Exquisitemad, using our mixes of our paste and our metal polishes, and we're going to blend all this in. We're going to leave it some shine. It's going to blend into up here to here. It's going to look pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and put on PPE. And I need to get my mask back on and continue rocking. So you're going to see me here, and I'm going to do this section here and then move on down. So let's keep rocking. Let's go.
All right, everybody, so now we're going to start blending in. And up in this end to the aluminum. Slowly. Working it in. Slowly working it in. Not moving fast.
All right, everybody, so wrapped up with this tanker for CITGO, and going to show you some pretty thorough afters on it. It turned out absolutely amazing, turned out beautiful, as you can see behind me. One, if you're interested in having your tanker polished and refinished, Exquisitemad is the only business in the world to provide these services worldwide, nationwide, across the United States of America and worldwide. So just give us a call, 800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com. You can contact us there, or info@exquisitemad.com. So appreciate everybody. See you on the next video.